Hello cooking friends, welcome back to another Yuhbettacanbake video. If you're new here, please go and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more easy bake with me videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how I spice up a Betty Crocker cake mix and make it taste more homemade with simple ingredients that you may have in your cupboard at home. So right off the bat, I realized I have the ingredients all wrong. That's why it's important to follow the instructions on the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and correct my portions here because I should have I switched up the milk and the oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back. We have here the Betty Crocker cake mix, which is the chocolate fudge that I'll be using. I'll also be adding some milk, some 3% milk. You can use 2% or skim milk, whatever you choose. You can use whatever oil you choose. I'm going with the vegetable oil that's on the back, but certainly you can use coconut oil. I'll also be adding allspice because I'm out of my signature pumpkin spice. Now I went ahead and prepped the cupcake tin with some cupcake holders. And I'm going to start by mashing a banana. So that's my first secret ingredient to spicing up my cake mix. I'm actually going to make a banana chocolate fudge cake with peanut butter swirl. So now I'm going to add in my vanilla to the banana. I'm just going to add in like as many wet ingredients as possible to help me with the mashing of the banana with this potato masher that I'm using. So I have here my black vanilla. So gorgeous and it smells so good. Then I'm going to be adding some of my milk. Now I'm going to mash it for a little bit before I continue adding some more wet ingredients. So let's go. Now I'll be adding the rest of my milk and then I'll mash some more. Next, it's time to add the oil and mash some more. Like this is so therapeutic. Just mashing a banana with a potato masher. You should get into it. Now I'll be adding my 3 eggs, one at a time. I'm not letting that eggshell slide. I see it and I will be removing it. Now it's whisking time. Nothing like a good whisk. If you like, you can use your electric mixer, but I have really been into the hygge style of baking, which is very crude, which is very rustic. So I'm getting there. I don't have my wooden spoon to mix it, but at least I'm not using my electric mixer, so I'm getting there. Now it's cake mix time. I'm going to be adding my Betty Crocker cake mix a little at a time, mixing it in, trying not to do anything but enjoy the process. I'm not worried about over mixing on the mixing. I am just enjoying this whisking process right here. Let the whisking begin. Sit back and enjoy this chocolate dream that you're about to see being mixed up right now. Okay, so now it's time to add in my allspice, or if you have your pumpkin spice or your cinnamon and nutmeg, add it in as the final little touch. Also, I am swirling in my peanut butter. If you have almond butter or cashew butter, the nut butter of your choice, you can do that too. Now, step one when you're baking is always to preheat the oven while you're mixing your ingredients. So now I have my mixture all prepped and ready to bake. So, magic! Voila! It's all done and ready. And as you can see, some people couldn't wait to dig in. And so it was great. It was delicious. It was quick and easy. Everyone enjoyed it. And if you enjoy videos like this, I will see you in the next one.